The PCX125's Enhanced Smart Power Plus ESP 4-valve water-cooled SOHC powerplant delivers 9.2 kilowatts at 8,750 RPM, with peak torque of 11.7 Newton-meters at 6,500 RPM. Bore and stroke is set at 53.5 by 55.5 mm with compression ratio of 11.5 to 1. It accelerates smartly from a standing start or roll-on, and the PCX will cruise happily around 90 km per hour. Vmax is 98 km per hour. And, thanks to the engine's fuel efficiency of approximately 47.6 km per litre, WMTC mode, and 8.1 L tank range is approximately 385 km between fill-ups. Technology to boost rider confidence in wet conditions is Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), which works in the background to deftly manage rear-wheel traction. A T indicator flickers on the dash when HSTC is actively reducing wheel spin, and the system can be turned off completely. Honda's ESP low-friction technologies are found throughout the engine. Clever packaging of items like the oil pump, which is built into the crankcase, help to further ensure efficiency. A compact combustion chamber and PGM-FI fuel injection with 28 mm diameter throttle body, 2 mm larger, optimizes burning velocity and cooling performance. An offset cylinder reduces friction caused by contact between piston and bore, efficiently transmitting combustion energy to the crankshaft. A spiny cast iron sleeve, with tiny surface extensions, keeps in check any distortion of the inner bore diameter. This design lowers tension in the piston ring, reducing friction. A hydraulic cam chain tensioner further improves engine efficiencies by reducing internal vibrations and improving fuel economy. Piston oil jets, as used by CRF for 50R competition MX machine, maintain consistent cooling. This allows ignition timing advances and prevents abnormal combustion, such as knocking. A hydraulic cam chain tensioner lifter inhibits chain vibration, controls noise, and reduces friction. A high-efficiency radiator, integrated into the exterior of the right-side crankcase, employs a small, light fan reducing frictional losses and lowering drag. Rolling resistance within the transmission unit is reduced using 3 low-friction main bearings, all designed to deal with the loads they individually receive. An optimized clutch and pulleys complement the performance. The electronically controlled, brushless ACG starter is an integrated component mounted directly on the end of the crankshaft, serving as starter motor and alternator. It spins the engine directly, eliminating any noise from gear engagement or meshing. Idling stop automatically stops the engine running after 3 seconds at idle when the scooter is stationary, and the brakes applied and restarts it instantly. The throttle grip is twisted. It's seamless in use thanks to ACG and the swing-back system that returns the crank to its position before air intake, and a decompression mechanism that negates cranking resistance from compression. It has the functionality to read the battery charge and turns itself off to avoid excessive drain. To meet Euro 5 emissions compliance, new ECU settings are matched to a redesigned exhaust system featuring a repositioned catalyser and new O2 sensor.